Hello traders, today is 19th of April 2023. Market was very challenging today, especially on pound dollar and euro USD. But in a challenging market, as a being an intraday trader, how we manage amazing profit, guys. Let's dig into the system. As always, if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review in the future, feel free to subscribe to this channel. Let's move into the three major currency pair: euro USD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. All right, if you look at the Euro USD and if you look at the 4-hour chart, we don't see any clear direction, but we manage very decent profit because if you look at here, price retested this morning and developed a double top here, and that we were expecting, let's say if the market is going to break, then possibility of short trade, thus we had a beautiful short trade here. Once the power price hit again the same level, you can see here, previously respected, so we also had a long trade here. Let me explain to you how I analyze the market in intraday. That's what exactly this morning, pretty straightforward. As you can see here at the London Open, just before the London Open, we did this analysis around 7:30. We have looked for this pattern breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken, beautiful short trade here. After this breakout, pull back, bank amazing profit. And once the price respected to the support level, so we did another analysis instantly, because we're constantly monitoring the price action in intraday and trying to connect the dots through the 4-hour sentiment. As you can see here, price nicely broken the previous high as mentioned here in the analysis, and through live audio commentary, the price respected the major support. Beautiful breakout long trade here, price nicely hit to the profit target, as you can see here, fifth channel, and that's what I explained my trader. It's time to enjoy some profit. You can see, guys, being an intraday, we also had a short and long. I really enjoyed it. Same thing on pound dollar. Let me explain to you. If you look at the 4-hour chart, we don't see any clear direction, but as you can see this morning, we had this breakout. We were expecting price might gonna continue. We had this long trade, bank some profit, but as soon as the price respected, we also had a short trade here, bank some profit, and afterwards we also had a long trade here. So how we analyze the market in intraday, that's the beauty of our intraday system that give us the pure price action patterns. If you look at here, pretty straightforward. We explained this trade this morning. Look for this breakout because the price refused to stay below this level. That's the sign. So we safest way let the market break out. So this is the breakout just before London Open. We had this beautiful long trade here, bank amazing profit. After banking some profit, we had a CPI data which looks like positive, but it was negative based on the previous data. And based on that, let me share with you guys. If you look at here this morning, we have the CPI data 7 p.m. which looks like positive, but if you look at compared to the previous data, the actual data is below, the number is below the 10.4%, which is they were forecasting 9.8, but based on the forecast, the data was good, but actually it was negative. So we were expecting possibility of reversal, but we need a valid technical entry, and that's what we're expecting. Let's see the price action in intraday. So based on that, we had this morning pullback long, so we were expecting a pullback around this level, but as a safest trade, that's what we're looking here. You can see a price respected here. So we look if the price gonna break long, break short here, so price nicely broken and pretty straightforward. After the breakout, you can see here we have another beautiful pullback, and as soon as the price hit this support level, we explain my traders time to enjoy some profit. After banking some profit, let's wait for the market at the New York session, and pretty straightforward. Price basically we were expecting if the price gonna respect, then possibility of short, otherwise break long here. But if you look at in the 4-hour, we have this rejection, previous candle, beautiful breakout, previous high, and even if you look at here, price broken and retest give us the confirmation. There was a beautiful long trade here as soon as the price hit to the profit target, previous high, and that's what I explained my traders time to enjoy some profit. You can see, guys, we had amazing trades on both pound dollar and euro USD. Dollar CAD, pretty straightforward, one direction. We didn't have the sort of challenges like we had it in euro USD and pound dollar. That was a pretty straightforward. You can see here this morning price broke on this level, and after this breakout we were expecting a pullback. Pretty straightforward. And if you look at the intraday, that was amazing trade, guys. And if you look at this morning, we had this beautiful breakout as explained. Price nicely broken the previous high, and even after the breakout, price retest long here, long here, and long here. Bank amazing profit. And the New York session, as explained, as long as the price stay above this level, then we took a long trade here, possibility of long. You can see a pullback long here, another pullback long. So bank amazing profit on dollar CAD. I hope you enjoy this analysis. But as always mentioned, guys, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. If you are still struggling, you know what to do. Join our fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.